Okay, so I just want to randomly give my thoughts on a Madoka spin-off manga. I don't know if it's a spin-off manga, but I read a manga which has Raft in the title. I don't remember the exact title of it. I'll probably have it on the screen somewhere, but I just know it has Raft in the title. So this is basically a manga that takes place after the original series ends, but it happens before the start of Rebellion, the third movie. I'm just going to talk about what I liked about this manga. Firstly, Mami appears in this manga playing the same type of role that she played in the third movie, when she was that senpai and leader and kind of, barking out orders and stuff and pretty much having like all those girls, in line about to take on, the nightmares that they were fighting. I personally really loved this aspect of the movie because it was just awesome, because Mami had always been revered as a senpai, but it was just so fucking awesome to see her take charge and really kind of like position herself as being that veteran, powerhouse magical girl. I fucking love that aspect of the movie. So this manga kind of pays tribute to that, because you see her at the beginning organizing the assault of the rafts with her, Sayaka, and Kyoko. It's like all three of them are kind of working together at the beginning of this manga, and Mami is kind of, she's the one that's leading them and trying to figure out, what the enemy is doing and whatnot. So I really enjoyed this aspect of the manga. Now, the next part that I thought was really cool is that you have Sayaka, who is essentially trying to take on a raft by herself, which I kind of felt kind of makes sense given Sayaka's personality. Essentially, she wants to outshine Kyoko, which is kind of funny because their rivalry is felt very much within like the first chapter of this manga. So Sayaka tries to take on the raft, and then and basically what happens is that she figures out that it's too much for her, and the other girls essentially come, but by the time Mami and Kyoko arrive, the raft had already gotten away, and then Kyoko and then Kyoko proceeds to be a bitch to Sayaka about, oh my god, how could you let them get away? And then Sayaka was like, well, it's your freaking fault because you're the one that let them get away in the first place. So I thought it was kind of funny and interesting to see the two of them, bickering back and forth in very stereotypical Kyoko Sayaka fashion. I swear, like it's kind of hard to tell if it's like a bickering between lovers or if it's like a bickering between like sisters, because it's really hard to tell. But that's one of the things about Kyoko and Sayaka's relationship that I always thought was interesting, is that they never truly confirm that the two like each other in a romantic sense, but they don't deny it. So how you want to view those two is always up to the viewer's interpretation. I mean, if you wanted, you could just view them as close friends, you could view them as sisters, or you could view them as lovers. I think it's more fun to view them as lovers, just because. But so yeah, they're basically bickering, and then you have Mami. One thing I'll say about this manga that I really like is the art style, like especially for Mami, and I guess for Sayaka too, but mostly for Mami. Like I personally think Mami is represented so well in this manga. Like she just looks so freaking sexy in my opinion. Like I just love her character design. Like it looks gorgeous to me. Like I'm not sure if I'm the only one that feels that way, but Mami always has like the sexiest character design, whether it's an anime or manga form. But this manga especially, she looks breathtakingly gorgeous. I just love all the little details of like her face, the way that her legs are shaped, her body type. She is so freaking sexy from head to toe. If you remember that scene where Kyoko appears after Sayaka makes a wish to Kyosuke, and Kyoko basically baits Sayaka into trying to fight with her by saying things that she knows is going to piss Sayaka off in regards to Kyosuke, Kyoko essentially does the same exact thing. The only difference is that instead of pissing Sayaka off for not making a move on Kyosuke, she essentially puts salt on wounds, because at a certain part of the manga, Hitomi has that scene where she approaches Sayaka and tells her that she's going to confess to Kyosuke, and then she ends up doing it in the actual manga. So they're kind of like redoing those particular scenes from the actual anime. And Kyoko is basically telling Sayaka, you know what, if you really don't like what's going on with Kyosuke and Hitomi, because at this point they're together, then you should essentially let the raft actually get to Hitomi, because apparently this manga explains that what a raft does is that rafts don't kill humans, they just get inside of them and erase all their emotions so they can't feel anything. So Kyoko's saying, hey man, if you're pissed off at what Hitomi did for asking out Kyosuke, then what you should do is you should just let a raft get to her. And Sayaka, of course, gets really pissed off, very similar to the way that she reacts in the original anime when Kyoko spits that whole, you really shouldn't bother going after the familiars, just go after the witches. And of course, Sayaka is like, the reason mommy is dead is because we have magical girls like you. So essentially, they are reenacting that moment of the series, but they're just kind of connecting it to rafts instead of, witches and familiars, which I thought was interesting. And at the same time, it is a bit confusing because it's implied that this manga takes place after the original anime, but before the third movie. Now, the only issue that I have with this is the fact that in the original anime, at the end, Hitomi and Kamijo are already together, but at the beginning of this raft arc, Hitomi and Kyosuke aren't together within it. So it makes me wonder, like, what's going on? Because even though it's supposed to be after the original anime, both Hitomi and Kyosuke are supposed to already be together. So this part doesn't make any sense because they're just coming together in the actual raft manga, which kind of makes me think maybe this is some type of alternate timeline where certain things have carried over from the original series, but certain things have not. One of which being Hitomi and Kyosuke getting together because they get together in the manga. So yeah, so Kyoko essentially pisses Sayaka off. And after this takes place, essentially Sayaka and Kyoko get into a physical fight, which I honestly, when I was watching this fight, I thought for sure it was going to play off exactly the same as it did in the anime with Kyoko essentially beating the shit out of Sayaka. And it's interesting because at first they look pretty even, but really quickly it was shown very quickly that Kyoko was dominating Sayaka. And I was thinking, oh, okay, this is just gonna be a fucking repeat of what took place in the anime. But to my surprise, and this really shocked me, like I actually had a moment that I almost wish I could have recorded because I was like, holy fucking shit, Sayaka actually beats Kyoko. She actually does. Like, Sayaka is actually able to beat Kyoko. I don't know how I feel about that. I have no idea how I feel about that because it's like, this is supposed to take place after the original anime, but before Rebellion. So obviously Sayaka, in theory, has gotten a lot stronger at this point. But I still find it amazing. She literally outsmarts Kyoko and defeats her. It's crazy. Like, it's hard to fathom that because I have watched the original anime so many times that it just felt like one of those things where Kyoko always has to beat Sayaka kind of thing. But to see Sayaka actually get one over on Kyoko was just mind-boggling for me, but it was awesome. Sayaka's like my second favorite character, so it was just awesome to see her actually win. So I think that's mostly it for my thoughts. I really enjoyed this particular manga. So yeah, this is my first chapter review. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mommy Sexual signing out. Peace. Peace, 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 peace.